integration of art and engineering, but the reason that we've tried to achieve that is that we were aware this region's got a huge pedigree in terms of its engineering sector, but equally for decades this region's been really renowned for the quality of its artist space, and if we could align the two, we thought we could create something really special, and I think the works that we've created have shown that. But underneath all of that and around it too, we were aware this has always been claimed as the home of Len Lai. We've got a wind one on the foreshore, and that context was really important because it gave us a chance to take that kinetic focus out to our business world through engineering, but also our community through our own artists.
The abilities that we have in the region to fabricate and manufacture and create things, we have many people here with a wide range of skills, design and build skills. But also we have a growing population of artists who are interested not only in painting and dance and drama and those sorts of things, but are increasingly interested in sculpture and form and shape and environment and so forth. And so given the opportunity, they will experience and adventure into realms that allow a whole different range of ways of appreciating.
I'm an ocean artist, and I really want to make a statement to all of us that my art symbolizes the link between the earth and the sea. I chose the Conus labradus, that is a shell, which has got that amazing decoration on it. With that inspiration, I transferred that one into a three-dimensional image.
My initial thoughts was it was going to be a challenge to make it operate how he envisages it to operate. Make it small enough and light enough, but still to be strong enough to suit the codes that we've got to work with. I think in this case the artist had quite a good understanding of the mechanical operation of it, so in all we weren't too far apart in knowing how it was going to operate.
I think it is brilliant, a brilliant result. This was actually more than I ever expected, yeah. And also the quality they used for the materials and the welding parts and everything. It is, I'm quite happy with it, yes.
One of the ways to showcase the engineering excellence in Taranaki is to actually show what it can do in extreme conditions, and art and engineering are quite closely aligned in Kinetika. You know, it's moving parts, it's showing quality fabrication, design, all those sorts of things, and it's something that engineering Taranaki can do for the community. If we look at the history of kinetic art, it kind of tests the boundaries of what you can do with engineering, and some of the art forms have, I guess, found new ways of doing things. We like to think that we're pretty good at that sort of thing. The design element, sort of seeking new boundaries, so to speak, and actually just recognising that engineering in itself is an art form.
So I'm a mechanical engineer, and so I suppose I was thinking about the engineering of it in the first instance. I like the shape of the Soma cube, the geometry, the geometric shapes, and that's intrinsically artistic. So I suppose from the outset in my creative thinking, it was more thinking about how it might be built. It ended up taking me about 180 hours of design time to do a full set of drawings and models and to communicate the various aspects to Superior Stainless. No, I couldn't ask for more. It's pretty much what I was hoping for, really.
You know, if we want to do some artwork, this would be the piece to do, because it's quite different. Yeah. Kinetika is, I think it's just great for us to show what we can do in the art industry and with the engineering. And it's definitely going to show to people who need that high-end finish what we're capable of, and that know that anything that they can throw at us, that we can do it.
Kinetic art is really at that leading edge of contemporary thinking, contemporary design. By blending and fusing kinetic art with our engineering capabilities, we're able to demonstrate to that world market that if you need a smart solution, world-class standards, then think Taranaki. The engineering sector is really important to the economy of Taranaki, not only in its own right, but one of the critical supply chains to the oil and gas industry and the dairy industry. What Kinetika does is match that innovation at the top end with engineering and also enhances our regional economic performance.
This Kinetika was always going to be a starting point. I think we've achieved that. We've got a really exciting event with some fabulous works, but we've made no secret that we wanted that starting point to lead to something that's as big and as exciting for kinetic art as the world of wearable arts has become.
Yeah, certainly New Zealand wide, we'd like to be able to see people coming from all over New Zealand and participating, and perhaps worldwide if it gets to be that good.